She's all like, how was it?
Go Max! Okay. You're supposed to jump now?
In the fun?
I didn't hesitate.
No, you went like.
Looks like your brother is hesitating.
I talk to you.
Hello?
I closed my eyes.
You closed your eyes.
Here we go.
Go Max!
Can you hear us?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You come close to the rock? No. Or you don't know because your eyes are closed?
I opened them like. How so passive this is like yelling.
Yeah, Max!
It's a long walk up. Is it? Oh my god. Good hike. And then up there we were all just chit-chatting and it was super fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But weren't you supposed to be next? Like, the other people got in front of you.
Because of the weight.
Oh.
They do it by weight, so they did the lightest.
Okay.
And then they go heaviest to lightest.
Okay.
So the lightest girls, they had the green rope.
Yeah.
And then I guess this red rope, they just adjust it after everyone.
Okay.
Went heaviest to lightest.
Okay. So?
Oh, do it again.
Can you get, like,
No,
can you ask to get
again.
dipped?
Okay, so the guys up there.